So I said I was going to do an update a couple months ago, and I've made actually a number of trips since then. So it's still with the 37s and the 373s, same camper. This weekend, actually, we had 6 people that were staying in it and one dog. And with all the weight and all of the stuff that we brought, and we're here in at the Dillon Reservoir in Colorado. So we're, I don't know, somewhere over 9,000 feet. This is after the Eisenhower Tunnel. It's been doing just fine. I have looked at possibly re-gearing, but it hasn't really seemed to be necessary. So I wanted to post this update. Hopefully this helps some other folks, because I've hit the Facebook chats and I've checked the forums, and with the 5th gens I haven't really gotten much information on gearing and larger tires when it comes to the 6.4 liter gas motors. It's definitely when you get into altitude, since it doesn't have any turbo or supercharging or anything that gives it some extra pressure, you're going to lose some power, but it does just fine. And as far as the 373s, you're not going to make any track records and you're not going to pull any records up the mountain, but it does it just fine. So hopefully this helps some folks. Again, I do watch the transmission temperatures, and it's like it's barely even working. I mean, I'm coming up the mountain and I'm still in the 170 degree range. I'm not pushing it too hard. Coming up 70, I was probably only doing 55, 60, and some of that just has to do with traffic. But I can't complain. So far it's been a pretty nice setup. Good clearance. I took it out near Redcone, took my ATV there probably 5 weeks ago, and most of the way up before I unloaded, no problem. Brought the camper, of course, so it's all good. So thanks for watching.